Are we ready for a swift exit?
I think you're in love with Olivia. I'm not gonna lie. It's crossed my mind.
Beautiful.
Am I in love with Olivia? I think you are.
Love me.
Your provocative films on your phone of her licking lollipops.
There's a crest in it.
Mine's okay at the moment. Because the fizzy thing in the middle made an earthquake.
Oh my god, no. Can't do fizzy stuff. Earthquake in the stomach.
Didn't you read the packet says? Wait, where's the packet? Here it is.
It's fizzy pop.
Dangerous chemicals No, not contained.
Frou pop.
No, here, I'm